Does your facility store or use hazardous substances? Here are some examples you might not have thought of. The sulfuric acid in large batteries, such as in forklifts, the chemicals in your cleaning supplies, or maybe your research team is always bringing in new chemistry. You need to know what you have, where they're stored, and in what types of containers. This isn't just a good idea, it's a critical safety and compliance requirement that applies to every industry. The chemical inventory is the foundation for many compliance programs. For instance, it's how you know if you're over or under reporting thresholds required by EPCRA. The Emergency Planning and Community Right to Know Act, EPCRA, is triggered in by hazardous substances of at least 10,000 pounds or at least 500 pounds of extremely hazardous substances. Extremely hazardous substances under EPCRA include chemicals such as anhydrous ammonia, chlorine, sulfuric acid, hydrogen fluoride. If your facility meets certain thresholds, it may be subject to various reporting requirements, such as emergency planning, inventory Tier 2 reporting, emergency release notifications, SDS reporting and availability, and the Toxic Release Inventory, TRI. Don't guess what regulations apply to your site. A robust chemical inventory is the first step to knowing exactly what's required of you. Want to learn more about how to perform the inventory, enact EPCRA and other compliance for chemical facilities? Reach out and one of our specialists can show you how we can help you make sure you stay within compliance. We are here to help.